Do you demand a blade that excels in chipboard? Look no further than Freud's LU81 Stacked Chipboard Blade, available in sizes of 10, 12, 14, and 16-inch blades. This blade is ideal for sizing chipboard, plywood, laminates, and MDF, where speed is more important than the quality of cut, and for cutting large stacked materials. It has a TCG tooth geometry with a full kerf design and a silver ice coating that resists heat up to 2 times longer than standard polished blades, while also resisting corrosion, resin, or pitch buildup. The Stacked Chipboard Blade comes equipped with Freud's anti-vibration technology to stabilize a blade for quieter, smoother cuts and an extended blade life. Sawblade.com carries an extensive inventory of Freud as well as a wide range of high-quality sawing products. So remember to log on to Sawblade.com for all your sawing needs, from bandsaw blades, circular blades, coolant, and replacement parts. Sawblade.com, simply the best in performance sawing products.